Welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to quickly change the message on a QuickBooks invoice so your clients always see the exact wording you want. First, head over to the QuickBooks online website and sign in with your email and password. Once you're in, look to the top right and click the gear icon for Settings. From the menu, select Account and Settings, then on the left-hand side, click Sales. This is where you'll find your invoice customization options. Now select Messages. Here you'll see the default email message that goes out with your invoices. Simply edit the text to fit your business style, whether it's a thank you note, payment terms, or a friendly reminder. Once you're happy with your changes, scroll down and click Save. From now on, all invoices you send will include your updated message. And that's it. You've just customized your QuickBooks invoice message in under a minute. If